Welcome to the only course on internet where you are going to build multi-vendor mega e-commerce project. You are going to build professional Next.js 15 website with React Native Expo app. Yes, you have heard it right. In this course, you are not only going to build website but also a professional app. We are going to build website with Next.js 15 and app with React Native Expo, the latest and most popular technologies right now. Myself, I am Raghunath Hittal. I am having 4 years of experience in developing full stack applications and I will be your instructor throughout this course. Before we continue to the next preview video of this course, here is a question. Why you need to take this course? Let me explain you what are the benefits you are going to get by completion of this course. First things first, you will gain hands-on experience on how to build professional and scalable applications with rich looking architecture. You are going to see how you can develop admin dashboard, vendor dashboard, consumer level e-commerce website, and finally professional app with best practices. Not only just about building the e-commerce tech stack, but also how you can protect your website and app professionally so attackers can't attack or steal the content on your website and app. Not only that, but also vulnerable bots cannot even come to our website. They cannot perform any vulnerable operations on our website to attack on us. Our website is so powerful that they can't even give their malicious emails to us. Seems good, right? Not only that, but also how you can integrate SEO onto your website. I mean search engine optimization to your website. So you can rank top on search results on Google. Not only performing SEO, but also how you can boost your website's performance. That's the key point in any e-commerce website, because in some milliseconds, because of performance issues, top big companies are losing their money. So it was so important to boost our website's performance, and we are going to see it how we can boost our website's performance using Next.js latest features and Expo latest features. I'm going to explain you how you can boost your performance for both website and app professionally. You are going to learn how you can build admin dashboard. On your admin dashboard, you are going to have full control on your website. Manage products, checked. Manage orders, checked. Manage users, checked. Manage vendors, checked. Manage product reviews, checked. Manage offers, checked. Add categories, checked. Manage subcategories, checked. Manage top bar offers, checked. Manage coupons, checked. Manage analytics, checked. Each and every topic was covered in our admin dashboard. Remember that what are the changes or actions you have done in admin dashboard reflects both e-commerce website and our app. For the vendors, we have limited what they can do when compared to admin, because vendor is having limited powers when compared to the admin, right? So we have covered that also. So only approved vendors by admin can manage their activities. This is so important because any customer can come to our website and they can apply for vendor. So if he was only approved by an admin, then only he is going to continue and can manage his activities on our vendor dashboard. This is not just an ordinary e-commerce website that you can find on any YouTube channel. By only keeping this project on your portfolio, I can give you assured that you will definitely get highest paid job ever, because this is the course that covers each and every point in professional e-commerce projects. From building front end to creating a fully functional, scalable and future-rich multi-vendor platform with advanced capabilities. Each and every point on our e-commerce project is covered. Not just take my word, but see other preview videos also, which you can find just after this in this course. So you can get a clear brief about this entire mega course. This is just about why you need to take this course. Now, this course is well suited for React beginners to experts. Each level was also covered in this project. By developing and completing this course, you are not only full stack website developer but also full stack React native app developer. This is the course that outside of the Udemy platforms are charging for about thousands of dollars. Because in e-commerce, each and every topic about web development and app development is covered. Because e-commerce is the biggest and most complicated to develop website and app in this world. Coming to the brief about the tech stack, we are going to use Next.js 15 version to develop this website with latest updates covered. We are going to use Expo 52 version to develop our professional and scalable app. My main goal is to provide you the latest technologies that we are going to build in this course. So you'll always have updates in this course, making sure you're always up to date. And not only that, I'm going to speak a very simple English in this course. So if your English is not a primary language or the first language, no problem at all. You are going to understand my English. And for the app development, we are going to take inspiration from this Figma app design here, which was the most voted Figma app design here. We are going to take inspiration from this Figma app design here. Let me go to screens to view what are the screens here. As you can see, these are the screens here. Now let me come to LT player, and when I actually clicked on here, so as you can see, this is our splash screen here. So as you can see guys, this is our sign in screen. So yes guys, this is 38 screens long Figma app design, and we have converted this Figma app design to our React native design here. In order to check the demo of our application, which we have built using the Figma app design, see the next lecture where we are going to talk about the demo of our designed application completely. So in order to get perfect details about this course, check it out other free preview videos one by one. Let's continue with the demo of our admin dashboard first.